Our society is radically changing and evolving, especially with the heavy influence of technology. Social media can have a tendency to run our lives. This trend encourages you to express your emotions in the way you dress. Evoke a mood. You will see bright colors that evoke a feeling or mood, bold stripes, abstract florals, color blocking, and a nod to dadcore. With the trend mood enhancers, there can be a lot of elements involved. So an easy way to start is just to focus on one or two. Here we have an abstract floral tee tucked into a monochromatic blue short with a little bit of an iridescence that definitely kind of gives a mood. To add a little color blocking, we've got this bright pop of yellow. To finish the look, we've got a chunky sneaker, which definitely speaks to the dadcore trend. With this look, we've toned down the color blocking and amped up the dadcore. With dueling denim, a soft color blocked bowler shirt, and a chunky sneaker, this dude's ready to go. This last example is more exaggerated with the color blocking. We've got a solid bright red jacket with a solid bright blue pant, broken up with a chunky striped shirt. To top it off, we've got a fun bright white cap with rainbow lettering and a chunky bold sneaker. You can stay comfortable through the weekend with this bold, colorful look. Altogether, the mood enhancers trend encourages you to be brave and bold. Express your mood with color and don't hesitate to revisit the 90s and dress like dad.